Hi, this is Kristen with Heartfelt Creatures, and I just want to show you how easy this kit is, even if you have no sewing experience or make a bunch of mistakes while you are sewing. So this is one where all of the seams and stitches are appropriately placed. Now, realistically, yours is not going to look like this if you have no sewing experience normally. Sometimes you'll have these smaller holes. And sometimes you'll even have these big gaping ones if you missed the center stitch here. I'm going to show you how to fix them. We'll start with this big one first. You're going to take your sewing thread and we're actually going to put in stitches. We're going to go under and through. We're just going to put in stitches to stabilize this. And yes, I am squeezing the legs together so we can kind of close that hole. Again, in, oops, in, out. In, in, oops. It's just bringing it together and closing it up. I'm going to tie a knot. Okay, so yes, you can tell that we seamed it up a little bit, but it doesn't really change the shape. Okay, so after this, we're just going to take our roving we're going to lay it over this seam and we're just going to poke. It is that easy. And then we had a small one, a small hole here. This size is good to just cover it up with your roving and poke it in. That is it. You really can't screw this up. I promise. There's always a way to cover up any of your mistakes.